Hello and welcome to today's video. If you don't know me, I'm Allie, I'm Sumner's wife, and today I want to show you a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to add coupon codes to your Amazon listings. So let's go ahead and get to it. So on your Seller Central homepage, go ahead and hover over advertising and then click on coupons. From here, click on the yellow button that says create a new coupon. And then here, you're first going to input the ASIN of the product that you want this coupon to show up on their listing. And then you're going to click on go. And then once the product shows up here, you're going to click on add to coupon. And you can actually do multiple ASINs at the same time. So if you have, for example, several product variations, go ahead and input them here and then one by one, add them to coupon. And then once you're ready, let me move myself out of the way. And then once you have all of the listings that you want to add the coupon to, then go ahead and click on continue to next step. From here, you're going to decide if you want to give money off, so a dollar amount off or a percentage off. I usually do percentage off, especially depending on the price of your product. But usually with percentage off, you would do double digits, so it would seem like a higher number to the user, rather than, for example, $1 off or $2 off. And sometimes 15%, depending on the product price, would be even less than $1 or $2, but it would seem like it's more because it's a double-digit number. And then here, you would select if you want to limit to one redemption per customer, or if you want to allow for the same customer to redeem it multiple times. And if it's a lower percentage discount, I usually allowed however many purchases the same customer wants to make, because that means more sales. But if you want to limit that, especially if you have a higher percentage discount, then you would go ahead and click on limit redemption. And for budget, you have to input a minimum of $100. Honestly, I usually just put the highest budget as I can, because once your budget limit is reached, then your coupon code expires, and that I usually don't want that. I want to control however long I want to keep my code on my listing for. So I usually just put the maximum amount of budget. And obviously that does not mean you're going to spend all that. Amazon charges 60 cents every time a customer redeems a coupon. So for you to get to $10 million, it would probably take a good amount of inventory, but I like to actually leave it as high as possible because I like controlling this myself. Then you would just go ahead and click on continue to next step. And then here, Amazon lets you add a little bit of a text after the coupon code that you would be offering. So what I like to do is I like to put the name of the product or the type of product, and then put the word today. So it's more of like a call to action, and it gives the idea that it's a limited time only. So for example, I put save 50% on your water bottles today. And then here you can actually choose what type of customers you want to target. It could be just Amazon Prime members or family members. Some people have different types of Amazon accounts. I usually leave all customers. And then here you would select the start date of your coupon and then the end date. And you can only choose up to 90 days long of a promotion. You could always come back and later on create a new coupon again to the same listing, but this is the limit that Amazon gives you, so you can just go ahead and do however long you want your promotion to last, and then click on continue to next step. And then last thing, you're just going to review all of the information. It's going to give you a quick preview of your product main image, and then what it would say underneath, like save 15% on your water bottles today as you had it. And then if everything looks right, go ahead and click on submit coupon. And that's it. It's as simple as that. It usually does take a little bit of time for your code to show up, maybe a few hours, I think maybe 4 to 6 hours, but it could be sooner too. It's happened to me a lot sooner. And it would look something like this on Amazon's product page. It would show your product, and then it would have that green banner underneath saying the promotion that you're offering. So personally, we have found great success in creating these coupon codes to our Amazon listing, and it's also pretty eye-catching too, the green banner. So it could potentially attract even more users. Like I said, we've had very good success by doing this so far. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. Hope you like this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because we have a lot more great content coming very, very soon. And thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in future videos.